Okay, today we will be replacing the door handle right exterior for a Chevy Captiva. It will be the right door. We have the door handle here that is broke. The piece here is broke. So the things that you will need will be you can use a paint scraper to remove and pop the door off. You're going to need your replacement handle, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and I have a drill. This drill has a Phillips bit on it. That's because I want to quickly remove the screws without actually using manpower. So the first thing you will do is on the door, this area here, you will pop that off. So what you would get is your flat get your flat screwdriver in the corner here, you will pop it off. Pop it and it easily comes off. It has been removed. That is the piece. The next thing you would do is where the door handle is, there is a ring. You will use your flathead to remove that piece, and then your Phillips to unscrew that. But I have my handy dandy drill. Once you have removed the screw in that area, down below there's 2 screws that you have to remove as well. So I will proceed in removing those screws. They are also Phillips, so you can use the screwdriver or the drill to remove the screws. Once you have removed those 2 screws, now you can use your spatula, your scraper. Probably can use a spatula as well. And I would say that it's best to start on the side. And basically what you're doing is you're popping the door up. You don't want to break anything. And it's easy. Let's see, there we go. So once you hear that dump, then it's okay to go ahead and go around and start popping the remainder off. You don't want to break anything. Do it gently. And you will proceed by going all the way around the door, popping. And I'm going to continue to pop it. It is kind of hard with me holding the camera and popping So as you see, I started from the inside of the door and I started popping, and I will proceed all the way until I get to this side where the door is all the way popped off. Okay, I have removed, if you notice, the door has been removed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it up over this. I'm going to lift it up and remove the door. Just a moment and I'll be able to show you how that's done. Okay, I'm going to pop and lift this up and out. And easily it comes out. Very simple. So now what I will do, here is the door handle piece. There is a spot. See if I can get it good. This black piece here, let me see if I can aim it that way so that you guys can see. You would just lift it up. It's just it's hooked to a like it, but just pops in. So you will just basically pop it up. Just as simple. And then inside of there, the door handle latch, you just pull it out. Very simple. So it falls in when you replace it back, but you just remove it that way. Okay. Now you have one of two options. You can proceed by just going ahead while the door is hanging and replacing it. But if you want it to be more easy, what I did was I tilted the door so that I'm able to get to the window. There is a slot. Let's see, I'm trying to get it. I do apologize. And there's the slot there. So basically what you would do is you would get a Phillip and you will pop that. Give me just a moment and I will show you how that's done. And once again, I do apologize if this is not clear, but I am trying my best to show you. So basically this clips out. It's just the clip and you will pull this out. That piece is what holds it in. And then you will just pull it out. There you go. You had to push. Let me show you exactly what I did. When you pull your clip out, give me just a moment. I'm going to show you the clip. It failed. Okay, this is the clip here. This is what you will put your flathead to push the piece in here, to push this piece in to remove. And then once you do that, on the here itself, you would press this button here and it pops out.
Did you fix it?
We're almost there. Second step would be to remove this screw, that screw. We'll also remove this. What will happen is once you remove it, this pops out and then this pops in. This part, this speaker, I don't even know, that's not a speaker, but that's just part of the frame of the door. This part here holds the door in, so when you unscrew the back, it pops out and then you can replace the door handle. So I will proceed how that is. So I will unscrew using my drill. I'm not going all the way out because the reason is, since I'm the cameraman, trying to make sure I don't lose a screw. Okay, so all screws has been removed. As I stated before, this pops out. Again, just pop it out. And what I was stating is it's just decoration to the door. It pops out, and as I was saying that how it's connected to the handle, the door handle itself. So then as you pop that out, you will go ahead and you will remove the door handle, and ta-da, we got it out. So now it's about replacing it. So I have my door handle. I would start by putting the door handle from behind, and I will put it in as so, as it fits in. So what you want to do is you want to insert the new door handle from behind. And then you can go ahead and replace the decoration that they have, and it holds in the door itself as well. And then once you do that, let me pop it in. Just a moment, and that will be in. Okay, so you have your new door handle installed, replaced. The next thing you will do is you will get your screws, and on the back side you will screw in the screws back on the door. So I was able to screw the pieces back in with our new door handle. Looks very fancy, huh? Woohoo! Go us. Okay, so the next thing is to reinstall. So everything that you did before, for as putting this back in your window, making sure your clip is placed back on, and reinstalling this. What I'm going to do is reinstall this back on. It's very simple, as I stated before. This here was the release button. We're not releasing anything, we're just popping it in. I'm gonna try my best to show how it is done, because it's very simple. But the only bad thing is I will have to put it in and show you after. Well, I thought about it. I was able to get the door a certain way, and basically I'm going to show you how I'm going to reattach it. I know sometimes when people want instructions on certain things, they like to see exactly how it's put back. So we're going to try to wing this thing and put it back so that you're able to view as well. Okay, so I was able to get that there. And then what we're going to do is that clip, the white piece. I wish, maybe. There we go. I do apologize. That piece there. We're going to put that clip back on. Very simple. You want to do it this way. Don't know if you guys can see it. And I'm going to slip it in the holes. Oh shoot. It ran away from me. Let's try this again. Okay, so we're going to get this. You're going to have it in this direction where the back side of the clip is laying, where you would insert into I'm going to insert it and push it down. And as so, it clips right in, as I stated before. Very simple. That's the piece that holds it in. So, my door, you know this is upside down. I'm going to flip it around. And now it's time to get the door handle back in. So, as we did going out, pulling it out, we're going to insert it into we're going to insert it through the hole. We insert, and then that clip here in which it housed, you're going to make sure that this part is snapped back in. So the next part is to get your door up and over your lock, and I'm going to do that, and you will see exactly how that works. Alright, so I was able to get it popped in. My husband came out to help pop everything back in. I tell you, such a great help. So now what you're going to do is, there's screws. You will screw the screws back in. The screw here, you'll put that back in, pop that up, and then you're all set. I have both my sidekick, my baby, and my husband trying to help me out. And that's how you install a new door handle.
See that shit, Max?
Thanks guys for watching.
Jimmy.